Jakey, I see you, Jakey. I got you on video.
I see you, Jakey.
Can you hammer it?
Oh, cool.
So he can see him.
Well, I didn't know how it even worked.
Brittany, can you mute the TV, please?
I think Lisa's enjoying the camera more than Jake.
I'm trying to show him how to do it.
That's pretty fun.
He's just gonna tear it up.
At least, can you move those Cheetos towards Austin that way? So, there we go. Thank you. What you doing,
Yeah.
Jakey?
I'll be happy with it.
That way, Austin can have a Cheeto.
He likes the Cheetos.
Gotcha. On the video.
Did you really? Oh,
Yeah.
Don't be eating the baby's food.
Oh.
Taking food right out of the mouth of a baby.
After the baby spits it out. Don't hit yourself.
There's a lot of nutrition.
Oh, yeah, it's for
Potassium, calcium, iron, vitamin, zinc. Whole grain corn. 30% less sodium than the leading cheese snack.
What'd you say, Jakey? Hey.
Cheeto puffs, I'm in love with them. Like those big new ones they got that are like not that look like this, but they're like weird shaped. That just
Really?
put them in your mouth and they just like melt.
They melt. They dissolve in your mouth, don't
Yeah.
they?
care for the puffs. I like Cheetos.
I
but
like
don't
crunchy
the
too. I don't
puffs.
like the puffs.
Puffs, I can eat a whole big family size bag.
Now, what I like is corn chips. Fritos corn chips.
I like those in chili.
I would too.
Like put the
Can you
corn
juggle?
chips on the bottom and then chili and then put some cheese on top and
Yeah.
mix it all together.
The only problem with corn chips, they're greasy.
Not really.
Yeah.
Jacob says, I like my baby Gerber Cheetos. Oh, you're sitting on one of the balls, Jacob. You're so funny. Where'd you go?
That diaper on, I don't feel a thing.
Jakey. Hey.
Set it up for a minute.
Hammer the blue one. Hit the blue one. No? Okay. Gonna hammer your
What's
foot?
Canada?
Working. You go get Austin?
Hammer Austin.
He's thinking about it.
He was. It's like
He got that look on his face.
He looked at the hammer and grinned,
You gonna
thinking
eat the
about
hammer?
that one.
Hammer Austin.
Jacob, can you wave to the camera? Jacob, can you wave to the camera?
Say hi.
Hi.
Jacob, say
Wave to the
hi. Can you wave at Mama? Wave at me.
Can you wave?
So, you're crazy.
Because I got something else.
We got things better to do.
Can you wave with your feet?